Okay, well, the EM1 ran for about half an hour in two 15-minute bursts. Like I said, I haven't had it running for a while, so it took a bit for that intake valve to unstick, because that intake valve likes to stick. But I think it's out of fuel, so it was nice. It ran pretty well, and I'm still, after the initial issues I had with this when I first got it, very impressed with how easy the EM1 is to actually get going, even though there's a lot of no serviceability on it. You know, this is soldered in place here, and then there's no access to get the valves out for doing a valve job without completely disassembling the engine. So, but it's been a real good runner and a lot of fun.